Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into charming Crochet baby blanket in a lovely shade of purple. Begin with a brief overview of the materials needed, such as a soft purple yarn, crochet hook and scissors. Clearly explain the crochet stitches used for the blanket, emphasizing their simplicity for beginners. Share tips on selecting the right yarn for a baby blanket, focusing on comfort and washability. Demonstrate how to make a slip knot and begin the foundation chain, guiding viewers through the initial steps. Showcase the repetitive yet soothing process of crocheting each row, highlighting the meditative nature of the craft. Emphasize the importance of maintaining consistent tension for an even. Remind viewers to subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Emphasize the joy of creating handmade items and the sentimental value they hold. Remind viewers to take breaks and stretch their hands to prevent fatigue during longer crochet seasons. Discuss different edging options for the blanket, allowing viewers to choose the one that complements their style. Consider including a segment on blocking the finished blanket to achieve a polished look. Discuss the dimensions of the baby blanket and adapt them based on individual preferences. Thanks for watching this video.